What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another drink review taste test video. Coke has temporarily come out and brought back Diet Cherry Coke, and they put in the new retro looking cans from like the 1980s. Look how cool that is. Some have speculated that this might be the old like retro recipe for it. I do not know. They did away with Diet Cherry Coke. I think it was like 2020 or something like that. I think I remember buying some. I was going to do a video talking about it. I don't think I ever did, for one reason or another. And this is a Kroger exclusive. And then there's a few other stores I heard that's like tied to Kroger, connected to Kroger, that is selling this too. So I think it's a cool can, definitely very cool looking. Yeah, this screams, to me at least, 1980s. I wish more pop companies would bring back some like the retro designs, and from, say, I don't know, one year sell the 1980s design, next year sell the 70s design, then the 90s. You know, just kind of like switch it up. Or maybe do a 12-pack with all different designs for different years. I think that would be pretty cool. Anyways, let's try this. This was not easy to get either. Here goes. Oh yeah, see all that steam coming off of there. Yeah, it does smell like Diet Cherry Coke. There's how that aluminum smell to it too. I gotta say, that's very good. Diet Coke is itself still a very, I think, far superior pop compared to many others. This is definitely no exception. You have that classic Diet Coke taste, but it has that cherry flavor to it. Diet Coke, Diet Pepsi, I think are amazing. You just don't find Diet Pepsi very much anymore either. It's mostly zero sugar Diet Pepsi, which is unfortunate. I mean, don't get me wrong, zero sugar Diet Pepsi is good, or it's zero sugar cherry Pepsi, I mean, is good. But the Diet Pepsi, I just think, the Diet Cherry Pepsi is just better tasting. I just prefer the diet flavors now. Not sure if I'm just used to it, or they made it where it's more flavorful, but I just think it's just better than the zero sugar versions. And more and more pop companies have gotten rid of their like diet versions and have the zero sugar versions. I know zero sugar is the diet version as well, but zero sugar and diet just do not taste the same, and this is no exception. It's good, I like it. You have that classic Diet Cherry Coke flavor. Yeah, I tell you, I love the can. I'm actually keep this one. I used to keep a lot of cans. I hardly keep any anymore. I got rid of a lot of them. But this one, I think I'm going to keep one of these. Good. Hopefully they'll have this longer and more widespread so more people can get it. Anyways, any comments, questions, let me know. I appreciate you all watching, and I'm going to get going. So that's it. Alright, tell me what you think of that if you happen to get that. You know what that means. Time to get on to the next video. Peace. Alright, bye. And one last look. Cool. Okay, bye.